Hello dear friends, I'm Elena Rugal and I invite you to crochet unusual project. For this project you need to have some tools such as crochet hook 3 millimeters and 2 balls of yarn. I will use double yarn. All additional information about the tools can be found in the description below the video. It is very beautiful and unusual in the same time. It consists of rows of double crochet stitches and treble crochet, so it's not difficult. If you can do the different tall stitches, you can crochet it. I'm gonna to make a small bag that consists of a simple swatch that is rows of double crochet stitches, and the upper part of this small bag consists of chain spaces and treble crochet. The last round looks like a rose flower, but I did just ruffle. Please join me and let's crochet with me. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the foundation chain. For this I took double yarn. Here how they look like. I put 2 yarns together and now I grab my crochet hook and let's crochet the foundation chain. Make a chain of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. The foundation chain is ready. Continue. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make double crochet. Then make double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Like this. So make double crochet into the each chain stitch. Continue working in this way till the end of the foundation chain. My row is ready. I continue working on my small bag. I have done 14 double crochet stitches plus 3 chains to bring up the yarn. This is the 15th stitch. Then continue the work. Then I'm working on a row of double crochet stitches. Make chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the 2nd stitch. Make double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then I will show you how to complete this row together. I have done a row of double crochet. Let's complete this row together. Insert the hook into the 3rd stitch from the bottom and the 1st from the top. Make double crochet. Let's crochet a row of double crochet. For this, make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work, yarn over the hook, skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet. So you should crochet such rows as many times as you need. Here what I have at this point. I have done my swatch. This is the straight swatch. You can crochet any size of the swatch. You can make it higher or wider. It depends what size of the bag you would like to get. This is my size of the bag. So I'm making single crochet in this row. I insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch, then I put two sides together, and while making the single crochet I will show you how to join two sides together. Insert the hook into this stitch, then into the next one, and make single crochet. Make two single crochet into the each chain space or into the each stitch. Like this one. Make two single crochet, one and two, one and two, one and two, and this is the corner. Insert the hook into the corner chain space, make one, two, and three. I have done 3 single crochet. I insert the hook between stitches and make single crochet. So make single crochet between two stitches like this. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then you should continue working on the opposite side. I did a round of single crochet. Here how it looks. And now let's complete this row together. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Now I'm going to work with treble crochet and chain spaces. Make a chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. Then yarn over the hook twice. I skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and work with the third stitch, make treble crochet. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook twice, I skip 1, 2, and work into the third stitch. Chain of 3, yarn over the hook twice, and work with the third stitch. Here what we have, 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook twice, I skip 1, 2, and work with the third stitch. One, two, three. Insert the hook into the stitch. Let's repeat again. Yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet. Chain of 3. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip 2 stitches and work with the third stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round together. So let's complete this round together. After I chain the last one, yarn over the hook twice. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make treble crochet, then chain of 3, I insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch. Let's check 1, 2, 3. Make slip stitch. Round is done. Then I will show you how to crochet the ruffle edge. It is going to be a ruffle made of treble crochet. Now insert the hook into the chain space, make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain more. I'm making 6 treble crochet and chain into the each chain space. In the first case, instead of first treble crochet, I did 4 chains. 1 chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain. Let's crochet 6 treble crochet with chain into the next chain space. One chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain. 4 and chain. 5 and chain. And 6 and chain. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round together. After I have done the chain, now I complete this round. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch on the beginning of this round, make a slip stitch. Round is done. I have already cut off the yarn, and to secure the yarn by making a chain. Now turn the work to the back side and remove the yarn along the stitches from the back side. I am doing this with crochet hook. You can use sewing needle like this. So my small bag is almost ready, but I need still to continue. And the last step is a cord. For this I take gold yarn. In this case I'm using one yarn. You can use any kind of yarn. It is going to be a simple chain made of chains. Here how it looks. The length of the chain you determine by yourself. It could be small or long. It depends whatever you want. And each edge you should make a small knot. Then you should put the cord between stitches around the back. So my project is done. Here how it looks when it is ready. It is amazing small bag for gift, or it can be perfect for phone, or you can crochet it wider to create cover for your tablet. I remind you, I used double yarn for this small bag. You can use one yarn and different size of crochet hook. And now I show you something. I put the upper part of the bag. This is the ruffle, and I put my ruffle clother and turn it, and it looks like a rose flower. I straight up my ruffle and my rose flower is ready. So it is very amazing and unusual in the same time. I remind you, this bag can be perfect for gift or for cover. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me. There are a lot of video tutorials on my YouTube channel, so please visit it and subscribe if you didn't do this before. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video. Bye!